Hello friends, this is the another lecture in the series of file management, file system of the unit 5th. So in this lecture we will be discussing about free space management. What is free space management? Basically disk में जितना भी space होता है we have studied कि that is divided into fixed size blocks, bytes, lines or records, right? So that the space should be managed कि if we have 10 total blocks, 10, then how many of them are free and how many of them are occupied. This is known as free space management, right? And there are some simple techniques to do this. So let's start with the topic. The free space management, it is the system that keep tracks of the free disk blocks for allocating space to files when they are created. Also, it reuses the space released from deleting files. Free space management became little crucial, right? The system maintains a free space list which keep track of the disk blocks that are allocated to some file or directory. Just I have told you that if there are total 10 blocks, then if 5 are occupied, then they will be set as allocated, and those who are free, they will be counted as free disk blocks. The techniques that are primarily implemented are bitmap, linked list, grouping and counting. These are the four, and these are very simple techniques. So first one is the bitmap. Here we can create a bitmap of the free or allocated disk blocks in the term of 0 or 1. Like in this diagram you can see the disk blocks are numbered from 1 2 3 till block 16, and these green blocks जिनके ऊपर 0 लिखा हुआ है, right, and there are some blocks जिनके साथ 1 लिखा हुआ है, right? So these green blocks are allocated blocks and these blocks are free blocks. So in this bitmap we use 0 to indicate allocated and 1 to indicate free block. Simple. I hope you understand this concept. A bitmap is a series or a collection of bits where each bit corresponds to a disk block. The bit can take two values only, a 0 or a 1. 0 indicates that block is allocated and 1 indicates that block is free, right? Advantages of this technique, that this is relatively simple to implement and very efficient to find free space on the disk. Disadvantage is that it is not very much good for large systems. This technique requires a special hardware support to find the first one in a word it is not 0. Second technique is the linked list technique. This technique maintains a linked list of all the free blocks. Like it makes a chain starting from first free block till the last free block, right? In this diagram here you can see the free list head. So 5 6 7 14 and 15, these are the free blocks, and in this linked list it makes a chain of these blocks. Means 5, then 5 will contain the address of 6, 6 will contain the address of 7, next 7 contains the address of 14th, and 15 will be the last. 15 will contain the null in the address pointer, right? So this block contain the pointer, first block contain the pointer to the next block, and the next block contains the pointer to the another next block, and this process repeats. But as the disadvantage of linked list is traversing, means if we have to traverse the last node, we if we have to access the last node, then we have to traverse the whole linked list from first to last node, right? So टाइम कंज्यूमिंग प्रोसेस होगा ट्रेवर्सिंग इसके अंदर. सो ये बेटर है, लेकिन यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा टाइम हमारा ज्यादा वेस्ट हो जाएगा. Advantage: whenever a file is to be allocated a free block, the operating system can simply allocate the first block in free space list and move the head pointer to the next free block in the list. Right? Disadvantages: सर्चिंग इज थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, एंड ट्रेवर्सिंग थोड़ा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, नॉट एफिशिएंट फॉर फास्टर एक्सेस. अगर हमें बहुत जल्दी काम करना है तो उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा एफिशिएंट नहीं हो पाएगा. नेक्स्ट टेक्निक इज द ग्रुपिंग. In this technique, there is a modification of the free list approach. यहाँ पर हमने थोड़ा सा modification किया है, which stores the address of the n free blocks. Right? In this, the first n minus 1 blocks are free. Suppose पहले के मेरे कुछ blocks free हैं, but the last block contain the address of the n block. When we use the standard linked list approach, the addresses of the last number of block can be found very quickly. जो भी address होगा last block का वो हम quickly find out कर लेंगे. But यहाँ पे we cannot keep a list of an n free disk, but we keep the address of the first free block. तो यहाँ पे हम उसकी list नहीं बना रहे हैं, हम यहाँ पे उसका address को keep कर रहे हैं, तो it is difficult. Counting in this approach, the address of the first free disk block, ये अब क्या कर रहा है, यहाँ पे दो चीजें ध्यान रखने वाली है. इट contains the address of the first free block, जो पहला block free है उसका address, and the number of free contiguous disk blocks. Suppose पहला block था 5th और उसके बाद 5 free block थे, तो address मैंने रखा first वाले का और उसके बाद number ले लिया आगे कितने free हैं उनका. ठीक है, that follow the first block is stored, उसको हम यहाँ पे store कर लेते हैं. So every entry in the list would contain, जो भी entry होगी उस list के अंदर उसमें यही दो चीजें रखी होंगी, पहला block का address और उसके बाद total number of free blocks. So this is all about the free space management. Please go through the topic. Thank you.